What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have the Honeywell LED Ultra Bright Garage Light. Now this is something that I just seen this year and is becoming very popular. I got this one from Sam's Club. If I can find the link, I will show you the link. If not, I'll post a picture of it so you can see. I got this. One of them was 20 bucks. It's almost like the same price across the board. I went to Home Depot today. Same thing, 20 bucks. But the good thing with this one is it says free extension adapter included. The other ones at Home Depot, I did not see this. You know, usually at Sam's Club, you get a little bit extra in your box. This also comes with a 5-year warranty. And what else? 5,000 lumens. So 5,000 daylight. The certain type of light right there is the 5,000 daylight or 5,000 K on there. All right. And what else can we talk about? And that's if you want to know what your cost and all that stuff is. I don't know if you could quite see it. Let me see. All right, let me focus, y'all. All right, so here y'all go. If you want to know basically the specs on how much this was cost you. So it says $6.38 per year. And you already know that's depending on how much you use your lighting system. All right, let's bring it back out here. All right, so we are back out here. And let's open it up so y'all can see what it looks like. I'll install one. Well, it's not really much to install it, but as you know, there goes the screw on to screw it on. These are adjustable from what I see because you got the screw, you got a screwdriver right, not a screwdriver. You have a screw right there. You can use a screwdriver, loosen it up, and you can, you don't even need a screwdriver. Adjust it just like that. Now this will be a nice present to give your dad or your mom or whoever stays in the garage, does garage work, or does work in the garage. So this would be a cool gift to give them. 20 bucks. Can't go wrong. And also in the box, you have instructions. All right. This is Honeywell. In case I didn't say it, this is a Honeywell product. I already got a Honeywell work light. And here is the extension. All right, this is about 6 inches. So let's take this out. Look like there's a knob to turn. And it looks like it comes out even more. Let's turn this knob. Let's see what happens. Yep, look like you could even extend it more, but it's a little bit rough. Oh, there you go. All right, so that's a little bit tough, you guys, just to let you know. All right, there we go. So it extends to about 4 different levels. So I got 11-foot ceilings in the garage. So that's pretty cool. Snap it on here. Well, not snap, but twist it on here. And there you go. You twist this up on your garage light, which I will be taking my garage light out. So I got one right there, and then I got another one right somewhere up there, right there. All right, so I bought 2 of these things and we are going to test it out. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, and another thing to point out is 120 volts. And another thing to take note of, they said this is indoor use only. Let me see. I'll show y'all right here. It says indoor use on the box, indoors. So don't put this outdoors thinking that it's going to work and you damage your light, and that will be your fault. Also, I think I forgot to mention that these are a 5-year warranty on it. Okay, you guys, and for the moment of truth, here we go. Wow. This thing is bright. Or these things are bright. All right, we have 2 lights, 5,000 K daylight, 5,000 lumens shining on the floor. This is very bright. I do recommend this. This is awesome. All right, so that's a good replacement for replacing those regular bulbs. If you're doing any DIY work in your garage, you know anybody who does work in their garage, whether it's being mechanical work, carpentry work, if they need their garage as a workspace, get these lights, Honeywell. I got mine from Sam's Club, but they have it at Home Depot and Lowe's. Got mine for 20 bucks, so you can use that as a reference. Like, comment, and subscribe.